Hi, I'm Connor Dobson, Technical Marketing Executive at DesignSpark, and today we are going to be unboxing the NXP i.MX93 development platform. It's a powerful and affordable development platform built around the i.MX93 processor. Let's take a closer look. Inside the box, you'll find the Freedom i.MX93 board, two USB Type-C to Type-A cables, and a quick start guide, so you've got everything you need to get going. At the heart of the board is the i.MX93 processor. It also has a dual-core ARM Cortex-A55 running at 1.7 GHz. This is paired with a real-time Cortex-M33 core and an Ethos-U65 MPU delivering up to 0.5 TOPS of AI performance. This board offers massive I/O and expansion capability. You've got USB Type-A and Type-C, dual gigabit Ethernet, CAN FD interface, MIPI CSI and DSI, HDMI out, and it's even got a 40-pin expansion header for add-on modules. It's wireless ready with an onboard tri-radio module, including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4 and more. And it's even got M.2 key E slot, which allows you to swap in other connectivity options. Multimedia applications are a breeze, so the board supports audio output via MQS and a 3.5mm jack, multiple display interfaces including MIPI DSI and HDMI. With its built-in MPU, the Freedom i.MX93 enables efficient on-device machine learning for edge AI, computer vision, and industrial intelligence applications. The Freedom i.MX93 is perfect for building automation, driver monitoring systems, object detection, HMI panels, voice-enabled devices, and more. Whether you're building a smart device or the next edge AI solution, the Freedom i.MX93 is your versatile launchpad. Thank you for watching our unboxing of the NXP Freedom i.MX93 development platform. For more information, visit DesignSpark.com and start building today.